Hello everyone. Today we will show you how Easy Planner can control your overtime, air freight, capacity planning and sewing line planning, as well as supply chain knitting, dyeing, cutting, printing, embroidery, wash, etc. Requirement planning within 10 minutes with its artificial intelligence. At this moment, Easy Planner has no customers' data, styles data, sales orders, master schedule, line plan or production update. One of our customer has given us their product or style data, sales orders and last 3 months execution or production data. Such data is available to any factories. We will import style data from Excel to Easy Planner, and in the meantime we will create the corresponding customers on the fly. Default routing for styles will also be created based on which supply chain requirement plan will be generated. All style data is imported to Easy Planner from Excel. Now we will import sales order or PO data from Excel. A sales order can have multiple styles, or a style can have multiple sales orders, destinations, ship date, etc. Everything is covered in Easy Planner. Sales orders imported successfully. Now we will import production execution data for last 3 months. The buyer style and customer PO, of which may not exist in the system, will also be created during the import. All production data as well as data required for master scheduler and line planning are imported successfully. Now we will create learning curves from execution data automatically and teach our artificial intelligence so that it can plan accurately with an accuracy higher than 90%. Now we will go for master scheduler, which will be created by just a click, from which we can get capacity booking based on our factory capacity, which is pre-configured in system. In master scheduler, plan will be done considering factory as a whole, which is based on plan cut date and productivity provided during style creation, and system automatically allocate number of lines required to meet ship date. Our capacity versus book chart is fully dynamic. User can add any parameter required to fulfill their need. Now it's time to see the magic of Easy Planner. During sewing line planning, Easy Autopilot will automatically plan specific orders to specific line based on previous history of the lines and productivity. It's really hard to believe, but Easy Planner can plan more than 90% accuracy. Order splitting can be done by Autopilot. Easy Planner will visualize 100% capacity of line by stacking strips. What if plan for 8, 9 or any working hours can be done instantaneously? Whether a company requires overtime or not can get to know within few seconds. Remaining orders can be planned with almost no time and plot exactly where planner want to. Strip splitting and productivity and working hour can be changed very easily. Business intelligence of Easy Planner has the most cutting-edge dynamic features any user required. Its order summary report can be viewed in numerous ways by user. Users can create pivots based on their requirements instantaneously. The monthly plan summary. One report for all from top management to production peoples. It'll fulfill every demands. Synchronized supply chain requirement report will be generated based on sewing line plan to ensure successful on-time delivery. There is an order detailed summary report in which everything is compiled so that deviations can be reviewed in one place. Interactive dashboard will give detailed insight, and moreover through report builder user can build any report within few minutes. TNA of Easy Planner can be synced with Google Calendar. Easy Planner can be connected from anywhere, any device. Built-in failover cluster capability so that it'll be always on and no data loss. To know more, please contact us. +88 01716 085644.
Easy Planner, plan with intelligence. Thanks for watching.